night was cold, the wind did wail. The lights from the car shone cold and pale. It was 81 on Christmas Eve night. The snow was falling, Christmas would be white. If the mind could talk, it would tell a tale of drugs and a horrible crime, of a man pushed alive into the Ornoff mine. The figures approaching the Ornoff mine were intent on a terrible crime. The man owed money for drugs, so they say. Since he had no money, with his life he paid. If the mind could talk, it would tell a tale of drugs and a horrible crime, of a man pushed alive into the Ornoff mine. 2 weeks later, the crime came to light, when one involved had a heart filled with pride. To the police he confessed then, he was the one who pushed the man in. Guns pointing at him, fearing for his life, he sent the man plunging into the night. The men will be punished, it should be a lesson that no one with drugs should be messing. If the mind could talk, it would tell a tale of drugs and a horrible crime, of a man pushed alive into the Ornoff mine, of a man pushed alive into the Ornoff mine. Behind these walls of prison gray, I'm getting lonelier each day. I can't remember when I was free. Seems like it's been forever to me. At night in my cell I lie in tears, thinking of all these long, long years, stretching endlessly in front of me, and my soul ever yearning to be free. I thought my parents didn't understand. I had to drink and drive and become a man. To carry a gun I thought was smart. I hadn't intended any trouble to start. When you're young and your head is so hard, you're halfway to trouble whether you want it or not. So listen to me while there's still time. Don't get involved in a life of crime. machine.